In the present era, everyone wants to stay fit and look attractive. The presence of belly fat is a barrier to your attractiveness. This is the reason why how to lose belly fat in 3 days has become a trending topic in search engines. We've compiled a list of the greatest techniques to lose belly fat for individuals who blame their stomach for their lack of attractiveness. The methods listed here are the quickest ways to lose belly fat. If you want to appear good, follow the steps following to eliminate belly fat in 3 days. We have brought up many well-researched and medically verified methods. The 3-day egg diet method is one of them. We hope that by the end of the video, you will know the answer to how to reduce belly fat fast. Nowadays, thousands of people are baffling over how to get rid of extra weight. It might be underestimating. Many people suffer from obesity in the modern world. Actually, according to Suggestive, there are more overweight people than underweight people. In them, some are using waist training corsets, belts to lose belly fat as well. We suggest you to use the waist trainer by hide that fat. Otherwise, follow the natural diet. In them, some are using waist training corsets, belts to lose belly fat as well. There is a natural egg diet that will get you in shape in less than a week. Let's see how to lose belly fat in 3 days using eggs. Obesity, 5 startling facts. Before we get into how to lose belly fat in 3 days, there are a few things to consider. Some of the information presented here is quite startling. If the child's parents struggle with obesity, their descendants are 80% likely to do so as well. Obesity is linked to at least 15 ailments, including joint discomfort, cancer, stroke, and more. Nearly 14.5 million Americans weigh more than 300 pounds. Obesity and overweight affect 1 out of every 3 American teenagers and youngsters. $3 billion was spent on fast food 15 years ago. These costs have now surpassed $120 billion. These facts are quite impressive, though not in a proper way. Have you ever thought it necessary to lose some extra inches around the waist? Belly fat, what causes it? The presence of fat on the stomach is considered normal. It is stated that if a certain amount is applied to the waist and abdomen, it acts as a cushion for our bones. In addition, the body's internal organs are in good working order. At the same time, if it is more than fat, it can lead to a variety of ailments. I'm going to inform you about the most common causes of abdominal fat. 1. Overeating. Overeating contributes to abdominal fat. Many people eat excessively during the day as a result of being hungry or being under work stress. As a result, the amount of fat in the stomach increases. 2. Frequently consuming alcoholic beverages. Alcohol use leads to belly fat. Regularly consuming alcohol not only raises the danger of ailments such as heart disease and liver disease, but it also raises the risk of stomach fat. If you're wondering how consuming alcohol causes tummy fat, know that it contains a lot of calories, which causes weight gain quickly. 3. Deficiency in the digestive system. Belly obesity is caused by a weakened digestive system. Even if a person's digestive system is poor, his stomach appears to be obese, and fat begins to accumulate on his abdomen, belly. Many disorders in the body, such as thyroid and diabetes, are surrounded by digestive system weakness. 4. Stay in a state of stress for an extended period of time. Obesity begins to increase around the stomach even when a person is under a lot of stress. Cortisol is to blame for this. When a person gets stressed, their cortisol level rises. Cortisol raises the body's fat levels, which causes fat to build around the waist and abdomen. 5. Hormonal changes. After the age of 40, women gain weight at a quick rate. This is due to menopause, when the amount of estrogen in their bodies begins to decline and the amount of testosterone begins to rise. As a result, excess fat accumulates around the waist and abdomen. Avert the following products to get rid of belly fats. Are you about to do it and not just a small put to start? Then you have come to the right place only in time. We have found the perfect way to become slimmer, more energetic, and overall healthier. No horrifying medical procedure or starving for a day at an end. Just straightforward ingredients and the process of weight loss drive into activity. You will see the after effect in no more than 3 days. Are you ready for the miracle? Such disclosed secrets come up and sit, don't they? But first of all, let's discuss what you shouldn't do if you want to lose weight safely. 1. Inanition or a diet too low in calories that comes across as a surprise. With ways of losing weight, can lead up to the fat. When you stand on the weight scale and see disappearing loads, don't hurry to feel static. Foremost, your body loses its muscle mass. What is much augmented alarming? Such a procedure can result in slowdown metabolism and even increase the risk of diabetes type 2. 2. Supplements that promise you wonders. By taking prescription drugs, you can be sure they can be safe and effective in treatment of your problem. It can be guaranteed that if you speak about the supplement, companies producing them don't have to provide proof that they are natural or pleasant for people's health. There are many natural fat-burning supplements that are available without prescription. Before trying them, ask for advice from your doctor first. 3. In detox programs. These programs should also be conducted with caution. The cause of weight loss is mostly because you lose water and other liquids. So, if you're a die-hard fan of such a show, you're putting yourself at risk of dehydration, which is far too harmful to be taken lightly. To be summed up, remember that you need to consume a minimum of 1,200 calories a day. If not, you will experience a lack of nutrients and fuel for your daily activities, just like a car can move without gas. You can't live without these minimal amounts of calories. Moreover, this naggy feeling of appetence will drive you bonkers. Also, if you lose exuberance weight too fast, there is an elevated risk that it will return, but in more form of fat and muscle. You should elude the following products if you want to lose belly fat in 3 days. Product rich in carbohydrate, unhealthy fats, sugars and sweeteners, pastries, cookies, and cakes, some types of alcohol, especially beer, white loaves of bread, ice cream. Now, let's move to the secrets ingredients that will play significant roles in the process of weight loss. It is an egg. What makes an egg such a fantastic product? Let's take a look at why an egg is such a fantastic product to begin with. Eggs are a nutrient-dense food. They are at the top of the list of the world's most nutrient-dense foods. Vitamin B2, B5, B6, B12, vitamin A, vitamin D, and vitamin E, as well as calcium, selenium, phosphorus, folate, and zinc, are all found in a single boiled egg. In eggs, you'll also find a variety of nutrients that are beneficial to your health. Eggs are good for keeping your eyes healthy. They help to reduce the chance of a stroke. These products raise the permissible cholesterol level. The most beautiful thing is that eating one egg, which is very fulfilling by the way you consume 77 calories and at the same time 0.2 ounces of protein and 0.17 ounces of healthy fats. Are you the orally precipitated health benefits of eggs? Good. List how to lose belly fat in 3 days using them. Day 1. Breakfast. Drink a cup of tea with no sugar and eat 2 tomatoes and 2 boiled eggs. Lunch. Prepare 2 egg whites. They are the perfect source of protein, 4 ounces of fish, and drink a cup of green tea without sugar. In the middle of lunch and dinner, you can have a snack with 1 apple. Dinner, you can have your favorite vegetables, peas, broccoli, carrot, green beans, and cauliflower, whatever you wish. The only condition there, they must be steamed. Drink a cup of tea without sugar. Day 2. Breakfast. Drink a cup of unsweetened green tea. Eat 2 boiled eggs and 1 banana. Lunch. For lunch, eat 2 egg whites, 4.2 ounces of chicken boiled without skin, and your favorite green tea. Dinner. On the second day, your dinner can implicate a piece of rusk, 4 ounces of cottage cheese, and a cup of low-fat milk. Day 3. Breakfast. Drink a glass of tomato juice and eat 2 boiled eggs. Lunch. Drink green tea again and 2 egg whites with 4.2 ounces of cooked red meat. Dinner. Have a green salad, 2 baked potatoes, and drink green tea. The bioactive compound contained in green tea can improve health and make you smarter. It positively influences the process of fat burning and boosts the rate of metabolism. Drinking green tea can result in a decrease in body fat, especially in the abdominal area. It may also reduce the risk of several cancers, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's disease. Green tea lowers the incidence of dental infections and the risk of cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes. Observe what happens if you maintain this weight for 3 days. Leave a comment below with the outcomes you've achieved. But let's agree that you won't cheat while on this diet. If you share this video with your friends who want to lose belly fat, they will be properly informed on how to lose belly fat in 3 days.